Kia ora, Ata Marie or Ahi Ahi Marie, depending on what time you woke up today. It's Mr. Yang here, and here we are. We are at the lockdown again, and we've done this before. We can do it again. I've had a very good weekend, and as you can see outside, the weather is brilliant. I've had a walk with my dog and my partner, and you can see kofi trees out there and they are starting to bloom, and I'm really looking forward to seeing lots of tuis coming to feed on the kofi flowers. But I'll shut the curtains because it's a bit too bright. I'm making this video as a reminder to you how I feel about online teaching and learning. And I think the flipped classroom is by far the best way for me to teach you and for you to learn. So every day I will post up tasks, things like videos, education perfect notes for you to read and for you to do before you come to a Zoom tutorial the following day. So what generally would occur is that I would post task one day, the Zoom tutorial the next, and then the following day there will be a new task for you to do. This way, it gives you a very flexible approach to your learning and my teaching, which means that you can attempt to learn the material and do the questions, watch the video anytime you want before the tutorial. So I'd heavily emphasize that you do those tasks I set you before you come to the tutorial. And during the tutorial, whatever questions you have, I can then try to resolve it for you. Now, with the videos I share with you and I ask you to watch, you can watch it as many times as you want. You can pause, rewind, rewatch it. Whatever you don't understand, you can write it down. And then the following day at the Zoom tutorial, you can ask me, or if you can't wait, you can just email me straight away. Okay, so let me reiterate that before you come to the Zoom tutorial, make sure you have attempted the videos, the Education Perfect work, the notes that I've asked you to read. That way we can be very, very productive with our teaching and learning. So until our Zoom tutorials, kakite. See you soon. Bye.